What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing something really cool. Over there we have a plastic Battleship toy or model, whatever you want to call it. And over here I have my cardboard and duct tape functional model that actually shoots. It's not heavily armored because it's more based on being able to use missiles to intercept other missiles. And then it has a Sea Whiz back here just in case. Anyways, this ship is more of an offensive and air defense platform rather than a stopping gun platform, which is what that's going to be. We're going to simulate that ship firing half Q-tip projectiles by just throwing them over at this ship, and this ship is going to fire with its cannon here over to that ship. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start right off here with the Q-tip cannon on the USS Jack H. Lucas. Projectiles and the cannon are both performing not normal. Like that one didn't even fire. Okay, cut out as many of the misses as I can. That was pretty close.
And that was as close as I got, so I just decided to place them on after that. The cannon was not working from the cold at all. So I'm just going to have to simulate it as best as I can artificially.
It's just
This one here. I'll just throw it at it. I don't know if anyone's not going to throw. Alright, so I'll put this one up here. Okay, I'll let it. All those are nice themselves. I'm not doing the plastic. Probably because it's so cold out here. Also probably because, well,
okay, I want to put my hands over the candle. Jeez, this is so cold out here. Sorry guys, you see my arm. I swear to you, I am freezing my fingers off. Okay, let's go ahead and transition to a missile firing. I'll go ahead and fire a missile from back DLS cell block. I just want to test the effectiveness. So this is what our missiles look like. Right, it is a half Q-tip wrapped in paper with some cardboard and Vaseline stuck in there. And then for added effectiveness, you're gonna go ahead and dunk it in some more Vaseline. Alright, and then we're gonna light that on fire. This whole thing should go up really fast. Wow, this thing sucks. Okay, I really thought this would do better. I guess I gotta hold it in there a little longer to light it. Yeah, there we go. Put it right there. Oh yeah, so the missile's actually pretty good. Just have to take a second to light it more. Whoa, it's cold out here. Okay, I'm not sure if that's really doing much. Oh, it is starting to make the plastic lose its shape just a little bit. Now there's a lot of heat rising from it. It seems like most of the missile, though, isn't really catching fire. Just from the cold, it's having a hard time moving. It's more concentrated at the tip. Okay, let's, I'm gonna take a closer look at it, kind of break down what's happening. Oh yeah, I can see liquid plastic, so it's definitely doing something. This Battleship is taking a few hits, so, oh, whoa, that's a big chunk. Okay, I'm gonna let that keep burning. I have one last half Q-tip here that I shot. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the Jack H. Lucas right where you can see it. Not on the side facing the enemy, but just right on the front here where you can see. And we'll just see what happens. Okay, I have a lit Q-tip. I'm gonna place it right there and just watch what happens. Go ahead and unscrew my water so I can put out the fire if I need to. Holy shit. Dude, that Battleship is on fire. That plastic is completely on fire. That missile has long been out. Holy shit. Okay, hang on. Forget the Burke. Okay, I'm taking it out of my stand here. In the middle of this one. Whoa. That is a whole lot of damage. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that out. Zoom. Jeez, look at that. Wow. That was the plastic itself on fire. I didn't think that could even happen. Holy shit. Oh, that stinks. Oh. Alright, and the Jack H. Lucas. Took no damage really. I mean, that's still going. It's just so cold out here. There wasn't really much for that to gain traction on. I'm just gonna lift that off there.
I mean, it's still smoldering, but like, if I blow on it, it gets a little hotter. And that's just completely out. I'm actually curious though, what is that stuff? Oh, that's melted duct tape. Okay. I was wondering if that was cardboard or not, and it is not, in fact. Okay. I can see a little peeling here from the heat up top. Just a little bit of damage. But, whoa, this is damaged. I mean, good God. All right, I'm gonna try to lift off the top, because this is a piece. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, that is a no bueno. Oh, it's still squishy. Yeah. So that is a lot of damage. That ship would have gone completely burned down if I hadn't stopped it. Okay, moving back to the Jack H. Lucas. We are going to try and hit it with another half Q-tip. Wow, I really did not think that was going to happen. I was completely surprised by that. Okay. Half Q-tip, this is the procedure. We're just going to take it, dump it in the Vaseline, get it soaked in that. Light it in the fire. Normally I'd use tweezers, but since it's so cold out here, that heat really feels good. All right, this time we're going to put it right... I'm just going to chuck it. There. Okay. Try that again. Right there, that's where it's going to land. And we'll see if anything happens. Okay, so kind of hard to tell, but you can see that duct tape is getting melted away a little bit. I'm starting to see some holes form in the duct tape. It's shrinking up, and there's a hole in the duct tape for the first layer. Let's see, it's a corner piece, so this is either going to be really strong or really weak. Deck armor is holding, I think. Can't tell if what's underneath that is cardboard or not. Doesn't look like it's going to matter, though. And it looks like it was just duct tape. Okay, let's take a look at what happens here. All right, all that stuff, that is just duct tape. Yeah, just melted duct tape. Actually, hang on. I can see cardboard underneath. It got to there. You see that brown stuff? That's cardboard. Got there, didn't have enough energy to ignite. Again, I haven't really given this ship much armor at all. I might give it more later. At the moment, though, it's mostly focused on being an offensive and then air defense platform, and it's really not planning on taking any hits. That's kind of the whole idea behind it, but it is still armored to where it can take some hits. This, on the other hand, usually tanks hits, but I guess even a battleship has its limits. Let's hit the battleship again, shall we? Well, I was going to hit the battleship more, but then my candle went out from the wind. It is really windy and really cold out here, and I tried my best to block it with both my hands, but it went over the top. So that is the end of the video. But, yeah, I mean, this is wild. I'm going to have to make this thumbnail, or maybe it on fire. I don't know. Both ships, I'd say the battleship didn't do very well. Really disappointed in that. This ship did great. Tanked 2 hits like nothing.